आता खबरो विस्तारान गोयच्या सरकारान लोकांक काळखात दवरून न्हयांचे राष्ट्रीयकरण केले आणि आता परत लोकांक विश्वासात घेनासतना गोयचे MDR आणि राज्य महामार्गां राष्ट्रीय महामार्गात घालूंक सोदता असो खर आरोप काँग्रेसीचे प्रदेशाध्यक्ष लुइजीन फालेरो हांणी केला. गोयचे रस्ते गेल्यार गोंयकारांचेर हावळ येतली म्हण तांणी भिरांत उक्तायल्या. RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मुनोली.
This notification which the government of India, Ministry of Road Transport and Highways have notified on 2nd of January 2017. You see, first the BJP state government and the central government they nationalized the Goan rivers against the interest of Goans, in spite of opposition from Goa and Goans. Now the central government, in connivance with the state government, have decided to take over various main district roads, MDRs, and state highways as national highways. And this in principle declaration has already been communicated by the Central Ministry of Road and Transport. What is a worrying situation is, these decisions are taken by the state government by keeping Goa and Goans in the dark, without consulting Goans, are highly insensitive, arbitrary, irresponsible, and anti-Goan, and the hidden agenda is to target Goa and Goans, as they have done in the case of mining, where nearly 1 lakh people are affected.